Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and yes, we have another Toyota Previa video for you here. This one, though, isn't going to be on anything on the inside here. Oh, what a mess. I still got quite a bit to do in here. I got to get her all cleaned up and looking ship shape. I did clean out a lot of the back, though, so just got a few things in here. That's not too bad. I had to clean her out, so I had to get to the good old floor here because this is where I hang my exhaust from. So do you know what we're doing? Well, we're going to hopefully do the exhaust today. I'm going to take the keys out of my pocket here. So there we go. Let me get down here and we're going to take a look at her. Oh. Okay, she's holy. Wow, she's in bad shape. Great. Oh, this is just great. This looks bad. I am going to have to do something here. We got some holes. This exhaust isn't that great anyways. What? I got it hung up by wire? Really? I got some wire on there? Okay. I'm going to start her up and let you hear what she sounds like. Because she's not quiet. This whole pipe here is pretty well shot. Wow. I wish I... Well, you know what? I'm going to take that whole muffler off. I don't know. We got some stuff going on here that I got to figure out before. I didn't look at this before. I didn't know I had so many holes in the pipes here. Yeah. Got headers. Ooh, nice too. Best flowing headers around. Yeah, I gotta take a look at this. So I'm gonna start her up and then let you listen to how bad it is. And then, of course, I'm going to have to get to work on it. Getting late in the day here, and it's cool outside, so getting to work on it would be a good thing. Well, you can hear she's pretty loud. All coming from there. So, you're probably thinking, well, that's not that bad. Why don't I just get out the welder and just weld up some of these holes? Well, I think maybe that's what I'm actually going to try to do. So, let me grind away all this stuff here and see if I can get a good weld on and get these holes all welded up. Well, that didn't go very well. I got the grinder out and everything, started her, and move the muffler, and it's just kind of holding on. Okay, so plans have changed again. I'm gonna have to get this all figured out here. Okay, let me get her figured out. So this is where we are at this stage. Yeah, that was not gonna work very well, was it? So I gotta figure this out now. Dang. Right. I'm sure she'll just... There we go. I'm sure she would just break off. I think I got some grinding or cutting or something to do here. So, great. Oh my word. Why me? Really? Why? This thing was toast. I'll show you. Working underneath the vehicle. So there we go. That was toast enough. Come on, there we go. She was leaking all around, everywhere. Look at that wasn't even holding there anymore. So no wonder this thing leaked severely. Oh, the rust. Okay, well, I could just cut her off here and still use this muffler, but I do have another muffler to use. I used one I found at where I work, the dump, and I got a muffler. Somebody threw out a muffler from something, so I'm going to give her a try. So first, So I gotta fix that. Wow. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Great. Oh, I'll do my best. Well, that's as far as I've gotten so far. Had to do a lot of grinding there and cutting to get that all done. This is a muffler I found. So I'm going to put it on and see how good she is. And I always just ran a pipe out the back here. I didn't really run an exhaust pipe. But, haven't started her. I'm going to put a few tacks in her here just to make sure she don't fall off, and hopefully, I don't know, I'm losing sunlight here pretty quick, so I'm going to have to speed up a bit. It's taking me a while. There's the old muffler. Yeah, she's still looks like she's got some life in her, but yeah, I'm kind of wishing I had used it, but I'll weld that new one on right to the pipe, and hopefully it'll be good for now until I can, well, hopefully it'll get me through winter. So let me get her welded here and see how good I do on that. Well, that's all you're going to get for now. I've run out of welding wire, so I'm going to have to get some more, but she is welded on, but I don't have her anything holding her up in the back yet, but I am going to start it and let you listen to it to see what it sounds like with this muffler on. I haven't started it yet, and I certainly hope it's not as loud as it was. So, let's just hope, and we'll see what happens. Well, I don't know what kind of muffler that is, but she sounds racy. I'll tell you that right now. You know what? Maybe I'll rev her up for you. Let you hear it. And still got a little leak. Still got a little leak up here where I ran out of weld. So I'll have to get some more welding wire, and I'll have to get this thing hung, but I'll rev her up for you and let you hear what she sounds like. Up and then make a short about how good she sounds when